The U.S. Supreme Court on Monday restored the 2017 murder conviction of a man in the 1979 disappearance of 6-year-old Etan Patz in New York City, one of the country's most notorious missing child cases. The 6-3 ruling overturned a lower court's decision which threw out a jury's verdict that former local delicatessen worker Pedro Hernandez kidnapped and murdered Patz. The 10-page opinion, powered by its conservative majority, was unsigned. The court's 3 liberal justices dissented from the decision. In 1979, Patz vanished as he walked alone for the first time to a school bus stop in the Soho neighborhood of Manhattan. He was never found. The story brought national attention to cases of missing children across the U.S. after authorities put his image on thousands of milk cartons. Police arrested Hernandez in 2012 after getting a tip that he had confessed to the crime at a church group decades earlier. Hernandez then confessed to police that he lured Patz to the basement of the Soho deli where he worked, strangled him, and dumped his body in an alley. Hernandez first stood trial in 2015, but the jury was unable to reach a verdict because of a lone holdout juror who had doubts about his guilt. At his second trial in 2017, Hernandez was found guilty of kidnapping and murdering Patz. He was sentenced to a prison term of 25 years to life. But in 2025, a lower court tossed out the conviction, finding the judge back then had misdirected the jury and swayed the verdict against Hernandez. It reopened a case that had appeared finally settled. In a statement on Monday, Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, who requested the lower court's decision be overturned, said that his office remains steadfast in its pursuit of justice for Etan and the Patz family and will continue to stand by this important conviction.